He the G, the supreme G. Rock, paper, scissors, fish. Excuse you. What the fuck is you doing, cunt?
You're copying me.
I'm copying you. No, you're copying me, sweetheart.
The amount of ridiculousness.
I don't look retarded.
You look cute.
Oh, I look retardskis.
No, you don't. With the socks in your hand. We are at a car meet at Burger City.
Hey guys, we are at a car meet in Burger City.
I'm sorry. We are at a car meet at Burger City.
Look at these Subi.
That's a 2019. That's what it says on it.
That's what it says on it?
Yeah, it says underneath it.
Oh shit.
What's that supposed to mean? Oh, look at the sticker of Squidward on the side.
20 horsepower, 30 horsepower. This one gives you about 50 horsepower. Fucking Squidward. Thoughts on the Subi?
No comment.
No.
I mean, it's cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really not gonna lie. It's cute.
Has a Carvin hood on it. Yeah, look. Carvin, hey Bree.
What?
Send nudes. How long have you had this car for?
A week?
Enrique's car. This is Enrique's.
Yes, it is. It used to be his.
Yeah, it used to be his. Yeah.
I know.
He sold it.
He got a Honda SI.
Yeah, I know, the 2019.
Thanks.
You got any plans for it?
Well, Nick, my son does, yeah. Of course.
Gotcha.
He wants to put a pipe through here instead of
A hood exhaust?
Yeah,
Yeah,
hood exhaust.
it's gonna be crazy. Yo, I could got people looking at my fucking car. Wide versus thick. So I needed to take a piss, so we came to the bath. So that's a bitch. Fuck yeah. In public. It's like GTR buzz down. Burger City meat. Testing out the burgers. Empire Vinyl. This bitch is everywhere.
You know the vibe.
You know the vibe. Literally, you know the fucking vibes. Rock, paper, scissors. Who gets to take their cars to Target? Ready? Ready? Let's shoot it. Rock, paper. Wait. Rock, paper, scissors. Says shoot.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors. Says shoot. 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 Take my car.
God. Stop. They have to put that all back.
It goes there now. This goes right here.
Stop.
Guys, go buy his merch.
You already know the Calderon media hats.
Hey guys, go buy his merch. Hey guys, go buy his merch.
Popeyes, focus. Popeyes, you need to get your shit together, bro. I've been to 2 fucking Popeyes in the last week. All of them ran out of chicken sandwiches. I actually came early today and they're still out. If you're on the go, if you're like me, you're driving all the time and you drive steak, motherfucker, this is what you do. You literally, like, you trying to get full. You got these and you go like.
Clean that shit up, bitch.
I'm sorry.
You're not cleaning it up, I would.
Yeah, alright. First name without getting
Ew.
I wanna see your first name. I break that shit down. Break it down. Spin it on the desk. Alright? Make that shit clap. She threw it back, so I had a double bag on the deck on it.
I got. Oh my god.
My back. Oh, it hit the wood. Alright guys, so right now I have to go do a photo shoot, but it is currently a little bit of drizzling. It's been raining the whole fucking day, killed my whole vibe. But it is still drizzling outside, you can see it. But yeah, I literally just walked from the house to the car and my camera got fucking soaked. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it got soaked. Unfortunately it is really pouring, so I'm not gonna take you guys out, but Just know I'm shooting that purple S2K over there. It's kind of purplish slash bluish. But yeah, I'm shooting that. So I am in Bree's house right now. We are currently using a hair dryer as a heat gun because if you guys can look at this side, we no longer have the TRD decals that comes with the car because it's a little bit ricey and I do not fuck with that shit. She didn't fuck with that shit either. So yeah, we took those out. We're only leaving the fucking turd one. And this is how it looked before. And yeah, so we're about to take those off too. And then that looks way cleaner. So I'm at the car wash right now, drying my car and shit. Right there. And there's a little fuck, because that's a regular house. There's a little over there playing in the playground. Don't throw rocks. Don't throw rocks. Don't throw rocks. Okay, I'm going over. I'm sorry. There's a little kid in the backyard throwing rocks on the other side.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the rocks got in my car and stuff. That's why I'm like coming over here.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
Hold on. All right.
Okay. Today's Friday, which means every week we upload on Friday. So it is literally 2:16 in the morning, and I still haven't edited the vlog for this week. So I need to hurry up so that way we're gonna get shit popping right now.
I'ma throw this money like a free throw.